The important steps when on the road is to be alert, follow the rules and be safe. Wearing helmet, hand signaling, not wearing headphones, not using the phone while cycling, using bike infrastructure. Before using your bicycle, make sure it is ready to ride. You should always inspect your bike to make sure all parts are secure and working properly. Wear a properly fitted bicycle helmet. Adjust your bicycle to fit. Check your equipment, such as brakes and tires, and watch and avoid road hazards. You must have light reflectors and try to avoid riding at night. Just because you can see the driver does not mean they can see you. Some of the rules of the road are: go with the traffic flow, obey all traffic laws, yield to traffic when appropriate, be predictable, stay alert at all times, look before turning, and watch for parked cars.